Hey, Isabella, is that really you standing there?
Yes, Lucas, it's me. How have you been?
I've been good, just busy with work. And you?
Same here, work keeps me on my toes. Where are you headed?
I'm heading back home after a conference. You?
I'm on my way to visit some relatives. How's life treating you?
Life's good, but it feels incomplete. What about you?
I feel the same, something's missing. Do you still live in the same city?
Yes, I stayed close to home. Did you move?
I did, but not too far. Do you miss college days?
Every single day. Do you miss them too?
Absolutely, those were the best years. Remember our old friends?
How could I forget? Do you stay in touch with anyone?
A few, but not as often. Do you?
Occasionally, but everyone's so busy. Do you think about the past?
Quite often, especially about certain moments. And you?
Same here, some memories just linger. Have you been in touch with anyone special?
Not really, been too focused on my career. What about you?
No one special, just work. Do you ever regret not saying something back then?
Sometimes, yes. Do you feel the same way?
More than you know. Have you ever thought about what could have been?
Many times. Do you wish things had been different?
I do, more than words can express. Are you married?
No, I'm not. Are you?
No, still single. Then, will you marry me?
How much better if you had said this earlier.
I thought you wouldn't like it. Were you waiting for me to say something?
Yes, I've been waiting for these words for years. Why didn't you say anything before?
I was scared you wouldn't feel the same. Did you ever think I felt this way?
I hoped, but I wasn't sure. Were you afraid of rejection?
Terrified. Did you ever want to say something to me?
Yes, but I couldn't find the courage. What took you so long?
I guess I needed to grow up. Do you believe in fate?
I do now, especially after today. Do you think this is meant to be?
I believe it is. Are you happy this is finally happening?
More than words can describe. Are you?
Over the moon. Do you think we should thank destiny?
Absolutely, everything fell into place perfectly. Will you always be there for me?
Always. Will you stand by my side forever?
Without a doubt. Do you think our families will be happy?
I'm sure they will be thrilled. Should we tell them together?
Yes, that sounds perfect. Are you nervous?
A little, but mostly excited. Are you?
Same here, but I'm more relieved. Do you think our love will grow stronger?
With every passing day. Do you believe in forever?
I do, and I see it with you. Can you believe we're finally here?
It feels surreal. Do you ever wonder how we made it here?
All the time, it feels like a dream. Do you think we'll be happy together?
I know we will be. Are you ready to start this journey with me?
Yes, with all my heart. Do you think our lives will change a lot?
For the better, absolutely. Are you excited for our future?
I can't wait. Do you think we'll have a big wedding?
Only if you want one. What's your dream wedding?
Something simple, with close family and friends. What about you?
I just want you there, that's all. Will you wear white?
Definitely, and you'll wear a suit, right?
Of course. Do you think we'll have a honeymoon?
Yes, somewhere beautiful and peaceful. Any place in mind?
How about the mountains? Do you like that idea?
I love it. Do you think we'll have a big family?
I'd love that. How about you?
The same, I want a happy home. Do you think we'll grow old together?
I'm counting on it. Will you always love me?
Forever and always. Will you?
Without a doubt. Do you think we'll still be as close as we are now?
Closer, if that's possible. Are you ready to face everything together?
I am, with you by my side. Do you think our love story is just beginning?
It feels like it. Do you feel like we've found our happy ending?
More like a new beginning. Are you ready to tell the world?
Yes, let's do it together. Will you hold my hand through it all?
Always. Can you believe this is finally happening?
It feels like a dream come true. Do you think we'll look back and smile at today?
Every day. Are you ready to start forever?
More than ever. Shall we head out and celebrate?
Let's do it. Are you ready for our adventure?
Ready as ever. Will you always be my partner in everything?
In everything, forever. Shall we make this official?
Absolutely. Are you ready to become one?
Yes, I am. Are you?
I've never been more sure of anything. Shall we thank God for this moment?
Yes, we should. Are you ready to start forever today?
Yes, let's begin this beautiful journey together.
So, should we call our parents right now?
Yes, let's share the good news. Are you excited?
Beyond excited. How do you think they'll react?
They'll be overjoyed. Will we plan the wedding soon?
As soon as possible. Do you have a date in mind?
Maybe in a few months? What do you think?
That sounds perfect. Should we keep it small?
Yes, intimate and special. Do you want to invite all our college friends?
Definitely, they should be there. Do you think they'll be surprised?
They might be, but in a good way. Should we start looking for a venue?
Yes, let's find the perfect place. Do you want something outdoors?
Yes, maybe a garden or a beach. What's your preference?
A garden sounds beautiful. Should we visit some places this weekend?
I'd love that. Do you think we should hire a wedding planner?
It might make things easier. Do you know anyone?
I know a few, we can meet them. What's the most important thing for you?
Just being with you. What about you?
The same, everything else is secondary. Do you think we should write our own vows?
That would be special. Are you up for it?
Yes, it'll make it more meaningful. Are you ready for this big step?
I've never been more ready. Do you think we'll get everything done in time?
Yes, with some planning. Should we go ring shopping soon?
Yes, Let's pick something perfect. Do you have a style in mind?
Something simple and elegant. What do you think?
That sounds perfect. Are you thinking gold or platinum?
Platinum, I think. What do you prefer?
I agree, platinum is timeless. Should we choose matching bands?
Yes, that would be lovely. Do you want to include any special inscriptions?
Maybe something personal, just between us. How about you?
I'd love that. Should we plan a small engagement party?
Yes, something with close friends and family. Do you think we should do it soon?
Yes, to celebrate our decision. Are you thinking of a theme?
Something simple, maybe classic. What do you think?
That sounds perfect. Do you want to invite your colleagues?
Just a few close ones. What about you?
Same here, just a handful. Do you think we should set a date for the party?
Yes, maybe in a few weeks. Does that work for you?
Absolutely, let's do that. Should we start making a guest list?
Yes, we can finalize it together. Do you want to keep it under a certain number?
Maybe around 50? What do you think?
That's perfect, just the right size. Should we send out the invitations soon?
Yes, I'll start working on them. Do you want to help?
I'd love to. Should we make them digital or traditional?
Traditional feels more special. What do you think?
I agree, traditional it is. Should we pick a color theme?
Maybe something soft, like pastels. Do you like that idea?
Yes, it's elegant. Should we also think about the food?
Yes, something everyone will enjoy. Do you have any favorites?
Maybe a mix of different cuisines. What do you think?
That sounds great. Should we include some vegetarian options?
Definitely, to cater to everyone. Do you think we should have a cake?
Yes, a small one to cut together. What flavor do you like?
I'm thinking chocolate or vanilla. What's your favorite?
I love chocolate. Should we go with that?
Chocolate it is. Should we order from a bakery we know?
Yes, there's a great one near my place. Should we visit this weekend?
Perfect. Let's do that. Are you excited to start planning?
I can't wait. Should we start a checklist?
Yes, to keep everything organized. Do you think we'll manage everything?
Together, we'll get it all done. Are you ready for all the excitement?
More than ready. Should we take a moment to just enjoy this?
Yes, let's savor this special moment. Do you feel like everything's finally falling into place?
It does, perfectly. Are you as happy as I am?
I couldn't be happier. Should we take a walk and talk more?
I'd love that. Do you think we'll talk about this day forever?
Definitely, it's unforgettable. Shall we start our walk?
Let's go. Are you ready for all the adventures ahead?
With you, always. Shall we make a promise to cherish every moment?
I promise. Do you believe this is just the beginning?
I do, and it's beautiful. Shall we walk into our future together?
Hand in hand, forever.